Hi, I think the best part of being low-calorie diet, you can eat whatever you want. Today we are going to make hamburger steaks. So one hamburger bread from Joe's, it's 140 calorie. And
This is 12 ounces of steak. We're each going to eat about 5 ounces of steak after it cooks.
it's 400 calorie. So in total 540. We can put like onions and tomatoes, 550. It's not bad for a lunch, and it's delicious and it's like yummy. Let's go cook.
Hey, grill it. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And say hello to our cat Pikachu.
Simple.
Salt, pepper. We like this oregano we find.
Greek oregano. That's very good.
Hey. Hit both sides. No fuss, no muss. Simple and quick.
Less is more.
Yeah, you don't have to go too fussy about it. So if you have a fatty edge, you can put that on first. And then put your steak down. Simple lemon olive oil salad.
Yeah, 2 tablespoons.
Great.
And a little bit salt. Easy, easy. Pikachu.
Take a look. It's been about 7 minutes. Get some marks. I'm going to rotate it. Make some nice grill marks. Keep it cooking. It's starting to look a little more done around the edges and the top, so we'll flip it over. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. Nice grill marks. Another 10 or 12 minutes, it'll be done. Here we go, we turned it over. It's cooking the other side now. Delicious. Beautiful grill marks. Looking good. Mm-hmm. That oregano makes a huge difference. There it goes. So good.
Yes.
It smells amazing. Let's eat. Almost there. Ooh, sizzle. Checking it for doneness, so it still needs a few more minutes. We like ours more medium well. But that taste. Ready for the steak. Check it out. Firmness is great. All this done. If you can cook out, oh, it's so great in the summertime. Here we go. Let's let it rest a minute and cut it up. Ready for the steak. Here we go, cooked beautifully. Nice and medium. Put it on our burger buns.
Top with tomatoes.
Yeah.
Onions. Whatever sauce you like.
Just like that. Simple and fabulous.
It's like 500 calories. And you can put as many as vegetables also you like. Bon appetit!
Pikachu! Steak burger for Pikachu.